Hi, I'm Saurabh Dahal, and today I'm going to talk about my master project Sprint 2. The title of my project is Impact of Social Distancing Technology and Health Passport in COVID-19 Pandemic Situation. My team members are Ambika Shrestha, Avishkar Hamal, and Padam Khandangwa. Miss Tina Arora are helping us with our project as a supervisor, and our client is Mr. Hari Krishna Menta Bengata. Our project started on 19 July 2021, while it will end on 13 October 2021. Now, about our project. As we know that COVID-19 has a huge impact in our society, it is redefining our society in a totally different way. And the different rules and social distancing rules are having a high impact in our society, and we are not getting enough time and facility to blend in with other person. Due to social distancing and lack of healthcare facility, lots of mental health problems are being seen in different age group, especially on young childrens and older elderly people. So different AI applications are being used to fight against COVID. And in the field of medical science, technology like telehealth, AI, and DSS are being used to cope up with such mental health problem. Also, different research are going on the adaptation of technology and how social passport can be used by the people. These are the details of our Sprint 2. Different sprint tasks like product evaluation, questionnaire design, data collection, data analysis, and dashboard are assigned to all of the team member of our group. And as we can see that lots of our sprint tasks such as uh, product evaluation, data collection, data analysis has been completed, and only the task remain is now dashboard, which will be completed tomorrow. And these are my individual accomplishment. I have done 2B modules. Questionnaire has been already designed. Literature review is finished, and dashboard will be designed today or tomorrow. This is the BPMN diagram of our 2B model. It is only a part of our uh, whole project. It is based on the booking process, automated booking system of our application or the project. Here the patient will book for the vaccine through the healthcare provider. Here, first of all, he will search for the healthcare provider, and once he get that, he will search for the available time period. And if he gets the available time period, then he will give all these details and he will confirm the booking. Once he will confirm the booking, then he will get a notification from the health department that his time and schedule has been and vaccination schedule has been already shared. And if he don't get the available time, then he will give his appropriate time there. And once that time will be empty, then the healthcare department will notify him that he is applicable, and that this also the time he chose before is applicable. Then he can simply go and take the vaccine. These are some of the findings from our literature review. Here, children are expressing negative emotions such as fear and grief due to mental issue. And every youngster has a unique method of expressing their emotion. So, since there are very harsh rule of COVID-19, so different other methods should be discussed with child in an open and age appropriate manner. Also, addressing their concern may help them to alleviate their worries. Also, it has the social distance has an equal effect on old people. And during an incident or quarantine, people These elderly people experience more worries, angry, and excitement and withdrawal. So practical and emotional assistance should be provided to them mm, with the help of some informal networks such as their family or through the health expert. Similarly, it is the finding of a case study where a study has been carried out in a MENA region to find COVID-19 out, how COVID-19 outbreaks affect people's mental health. Here, in 2 months of COVID-19 period, um, uh, 18 countries have been participated. And according to the findings, over 40% of participation of MENA region had IESR score that indicate moderate to severe pandemic disorder. Similarly, the study of Lebanese people found that the fourth week of COVID-19 quarantine, and most of the people got post-trauma stress disorder symptoms. Also, the survey suggests that Saudi Saudi Arabia revealed that general populace has mild to moderate anxiety. Also, it is found that women between the age of 26 and 35 are more likely to have greater stress than others. This is my personal reflection. As we had regular meeting with clients, supervisor, and tutor, so it helped me a lot to clear my doubts and confusion about the topic. Also, the communication with my team member helped me a lot in generating more relevant question regarding the topic and our project. And and after getting the data, a proper analysis of data help us in generating more appropriate results in form of charts, bar diagram, and other visuals. We by doing this, we also got a proper result. So it helped me in getting relieved from the doubt that whether our proposed system is beneficial for the current pandemic or not. So I want to thank you all for listening to me. Thank you.